Statement lighting can play a huge role in creating a unique and memorable space. Think of it like jewelry for your home. In the kitchen, pendant lighting offers the option to add a touch of personalization. Pendants should be placed 30 to 34 inches above the countertop or 72 inches above the floor. A general rule is to use pendants 15 inches in height and 8 to 20 inches in diameter. You'll want to space them at least 6 inches from the edge of the island and keep them about 30 inches apart. For your dining room chandelier, choose the size based on the room. An easy way to do this is to add up the dimensions. For example, for a 10 by 15 foot room, add 10 and 15 to get 25, and choose a chandelier that's at least 25 inches in diameter. For a 9-foot high ceiling, your chandelier should be about 33 to 37 inches above the table. If your ceiling is higher than 9 feet, add an additional 3 inches for each additional foot. In the bedroom, putting pendant lights over your nightstands is a unique departure from the standard lamp or wall mount sconce. The width of the pendant should be approximately half the width of the nightstand and hung about 20 to 30 inches above it. Another way to add a dramatic flair to your bedroom is to use a chandelier. Placement of your bedroom chandelier will depend on the placement of the junction box. If centered widthwise over the bed, you can hang a standard chandelier. If it's off-centered, consider using a flush mount, semi-flush mount, or a ceiling fan. For more tips, go to our Design Center online.